All right, what's up, everyone? So I've seen a lot of people on Reddit not understand their audio mixing or audio tracks in OBS. So real quick rundown, in the bottom of your audio mixer here, you're going to come down to any source or any output, rather, doesn't matter which. Click the three dots and then select Advanced Audio Properties. Next, what we have here are all of our audio outputs. And the thing that we're after today is the audio tracks. For track 1, we are going to designate that as our Twitch stream audio track. Track 2 is going to be our Twitch VOD track. And as you can see, I don't have music selected here on our Twitch VOD track. That is by design. This will also double as our YouTube stream if you're doing that. So let's talk about it. So in order to set up the Twitch live stream track and your Twitch VOD track, follow these steps. Head into settings, click output on the left-hand side here, and you may have to be in advanced, but what we're going to do is we're going to select audio track 1. That is your Twitch stream track. And then Twitch VOD track, check that. And we're going to use track 2. All right, now back over to our advanced audio properties. And so track 1, this is everything that's going to our Twitch live stream once again. So I have my Discord, game audio, microphone, music audio, and whatever system sound I might have. You know, maybe I'm editing live on stream or whatever. I'm routing my Premiere through my system sound, but that's neither here nor there. So all of that is checked. And then remember, track 2 is our Twitch VOD track. So everything here is going to be saved to the audio in the VODs in our Twitch channel. And you'll notice that I don't have music saved here. Now, disclosure, not a lawyer, not anything. I'm not trying to give you legal advice. Follow your own canoe, paddle your own canoe, but you will get in trouble if you save copyright music on your Twitch VODs. That's the biggest and fastest way to get DMCA strikes, be demonetized, lose partner or affiliate status, have your account banned, whatever. So don't do it. Have this unchecked. Now, I did mention multi-streaming, so you can use this track as well for multi-streaming to YouTube, because once again, similarly to Twitch, they don't want you to have copyright music on their platform, especially saved on their platform. So I'm using the Aitum Multistream plugin for OBS. I'm going to open up the settings. You may land here at this tab, but make sure you're on the main canvas. After you set everything up, and I'll give you just a quick rundown of my settings, so feel free to copy these. All right, and then to set up the track, go to Audio Settings, and then choose Track 2. Right, so once again, that's going to contain our gameplay, our microphone, maybe system audio, Discord sound, and what it's going to exclude is the music. All right, so that's a real quick and dirty rundown of how to set that up. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. This is mostly a gaming channel, but I do like to put out some tips and tricks every so often. Thanks for watching. See you next time.